Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I will be converting myself into an Asian baby girl, ABJ girl. I really wanted to hop on this trend for a very long time, and now that I have you guys watching me and loving me so much, it's the perfect time. And now I'll be going for a makeover. You can see that my eyebrows are all over the place. I have some mustache going on. So I'll be going to a salon and getting kind of a makeover where I'll be getting my eyebrows done, some cleanup and all. So right now I'll be taking you guys with me to the salon. So after reaching the salon, I had to wait for a little while as the lady was getting things ready for me. Unfortunately, I couldn't shoot much in the salon as I was by myself, but I did get my eyebrows done, my waxing, and a cleanup for the first time. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. So, this is the continuation of the ABG video transformation. So, basically, ABG stands for Asian baby girl, and these are the girls who like fancy stuff, wear a lot of makeup, have tattoos, have a lot of piercings, and also this is totally out of my comfort zone. I am a simple girl. I don't have any tattoo. This is like completely like you can say a new thing, and I'm very excited to do this video. So I went to the salon a few days back and got my eyebrows done, my upper lips done, some waxing and all, and also did a cleanup. Now Asian baby girls also get nail extensions, okay, but because of coronavirus I couldn't go out and get them, so I did my nails by myself. They usually have long platinum blonde or even black hair. I don't have that much long hair. I had a haircut a month back. I also have a vlog on my channel for the same. I'll put the description somewhere over here. And I just decided to do this video today. I can't make you guys wait any longer. So anyways, we'll work out with whatever we have and try to do something good with it. So let's start. So guys, this is my bare face. I just had a shower. You can see my hair is still pretty damp. So I'll start with putting on a little lip gloss or lip balm, whatever you may say. Now Asian baby girls usually have a lot of makeup, so I'll be putting in a lot, but not too many colors, okay? They usually play with the nude or the neutral colors, the beige colors, so I'll be doing the same. Okay, so I'll start with the foundation. This is a new beauty blender I just opened today for this video. So one thing I wanted to share with you guys was my first video on this channel, that is the Barbie challenge, reached 1 million views. I am so happy, like seriously. You guys are amazing, okay? The amount of love you always show me, I couldn't ask for more. Although I want to ask for more because love is never enough. I'm done with my foundation over here. Now guys, I forgot to do this, but I will tweeze some of my brows, the extra ones. They are just sticking out, so I'll be doing that. Okay, so I'm done over here, tweezing my brows. Now, actually I should have done this before. I put my lenses because this is my very first time putting on lenses. So this is my lens box, okay? It just arrived a day before, yes. So I'm pretty excited for this. The color is spicy grey, okay? Basically greyish, bluish. It's a mixture. I love the color. So this is the first lens, okay? So I'll be putting it in my left eye first. So basically it goes like this. it gets stuck to my finger, okay, and then it doesn't go inside my eye. But let's try again.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after so many tries, you can see I did put it in this eye. Oh my god, I'm so teary. At least my eyes are not that red. But oh my god, this looks so pretty now. Okay, now let's try it on this eye. Oh my god, I'm already scared. I put it in the lens solution. Okay, I did everything according to instructions because I was so scared. But I'm liking it and I'm now fine. Like, I'm not even irritated. OMG guys, it's a success. Tell me in the comment section, how do I look? Now that I have put my lenses on, let's move forward with the makeup. So I already put my foundation on, but I'll do a touch up because I cried a little. We will move to a color corrector and fill in the spots. Now moving forward to the eye makeup, so it's a party look, okay? ABG girls love party, so I'm thinking which color should I go for? Start with a nude color for the corners of my eyes. I'm done. Now I'll be putting golden in the center of my eye. This pretty golden color from the palette, this one. Okay, that's really pretty. You may not see it on the camera, but it's really sparkly. So pretty, right? You can never go wrong with golden. You know, lenses just change the game, and as I'm trying them for the first time, I find them super attractive. I forgot to tell you this, they really drink a lot of boja. Like, ABG girls are known for drinking boja. You know, bubble green tea. Oh, pretty. Now I'll be doing the same on my lower lash line. You see? This little sparkle. This is it. This is what I was aiming for. I'll be putting this shade in the inner corner of my eyes for that little bling bling, little sparkle. Yeah. This makes your eyes look so awake. Just give me 2 minutes and I'll be back after putting my eyeliner. Okay guys, so after doing my eyeliner and my eyebrows, I'm done with my eyes. So now we'll move on to my lip. I'll be using this pretty shade. I'll put the link of all the products in the description below. This color is really pretty. Now I'll put my blush on and a little bronzing, and then I'll be done with the makeup. Then we can move to our tattoos. I'm really excited for that too. And here guys, I'm done with my makeup. It looks pretty, especially those lenses, I really love. So now it's time for the fake tattoos, another exciting part. So I bought these fake tattoos from Amazon and I'll be trying these today. I think I'll be starting with putting this cross over here. I think it will look really pretty. I'll be putting it right here and just press it. Ooh, that was fast. Oh my god, this looks super pretty. Now I think I'll be trying on this one. Now I'll be putting this one on my neck near my collarbone. Oh, I think it's pretty light. I'll come closer. It's pretty light, but it does look good. Ooh, this looks nice. Am I looking like an ABG? Now we'll put on some accessories. So I'll be putting on, these are some normal hoop earrings, the golden ones. Literally so much in trend. It's really pretty. Put this on. This is my lip piercing, a fake one. And this one on my nose. So guys, this is the final look. Okay guys, so now for the fun part, I'll be calling one of my friends and let's see his reaction. How do I look? See, I tried these lenses and everything.
Oh my god. You're looking so different. I don't know what to say, but you're looking really so different.
Does this suit me?
This look kind of suits you. Yeah.
Does it?
Especially that nose pin. Yeah, really.
Nose
Especially
pin.
that nose pin of yours and that thing that you put on your lips, lower lips.
I'm thinking of getting the piercing, like an actual piercing. Do you want to be in the video?
Are you wearing
Should I
lens?
show your face?
Are you wearing lens?
Yes, I am.
Your eyes are looking very pretty.
I know this color really suits me. Okay, should I show your face in the video or no?
I think you should.
Let's talk later, huh? Bye.
Okay, bye. All the best for YouTube.
Okay, yeah, so this was my friend. He thinks the look suits me. To be very honest, guys, I don't think I'll be able to pull it off on a daily basis. For this video, it was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. I love you guys so much. Do share this video with your friends if you liked it, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Bye.